What is your name?
My name is Sofia. My name is Nancy.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm happy.
Nice. Can you show me a happy face? Thank you. So pretty. Are you ready to ask and answer about the weather?
Yes.
Nancy, you go first. Here. Here is your pointer. Please point and ask. What's
What
point?
is
Choose one. Hurry up. Now ask again.
What is my answer?
Nancy, will you please speak louder?
What is like outside today?
Sophia, answer her. The
The rain is falling. Outside. It's raining, and it's wet.
Thank you. Now, Sophia, your turn.
What is like outside today? The sun is out, so I will say it's sunny and it's hot.
Thank you. Please give me the pointers. Nancy, what kind of weather do you like?
I like,
Please speak louder.
I like
I like
cloudy.
cloudy weather. Thank you. Sophia,
I like sunny.
I like sunny weather. Say again.
I like sunny weather.
Thank you. Do you like to play in the snow?
Yes.
Yes. So are you ready to say the story about playing in the snow?
Yes.
All right. Sophia, please go first. Please speak loud.
It is a rainy day. Rain is falling from the sky. We must play inside.
Thank you. Nancy.
My sisters play together. They are quiet. They put together a big puzzle. My brother and I play together. Some blocks are the same and some are different. We put together a nice house.
Will you please speak louder? Will you? Yes or no? Nancy and
Yes.
Sophia? Yes, thank you. Now, Sophia.
Then it stops raining. The sun comes out and we see a rainbow in the sky. A rainbow always has many colors.
Thank you.
At night, we look
Good job.
out the window. It's dark outside, but the moon is very bright. We can see many stars.
Good job.
With my father inside, then we go to sleep. The next morning, there is snow all The end.
Thank you. So, where do they play?
In the snow.
Mm-hmm. And what color is the snow?
White.
You said the snow is
White.
What can you make from snow, Nancy?
I make snowman.
Mm-hmm.
I make snowball.
What can you play with the snowballs? You can.
So
You say I can. Yes, you can throw the snowballs at each other. Nancy, what do they eat?
they eat cookies and cream.
Mm-hmm. Do you like to eat cookies and drink milk?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Sophia, can you open card 6? 6. Okay. What did they put on? Look at the pictures and yes, they put on the boots, hats, coats, good, and on their hands, gloves, very nice. Nancy, what is it best to wear when it's hot? Can you please say louder? What is it best to wear when it's hot? When it's hot, you say it's best
to wear shorts when it's hot.
Good. Sophia, what is it nice to wear when it's cool?
Cool.
It is nice.
It's nice to wear a jacket when it's cold.
Very nice. Now, can I please have Nancy to ask?
Me?
You can put it down on the table. Nancy, here, ask Sophia.
What will you do? Will you play inside? No, I won't. I will not. Will you play outside? Yes, I will. I will play outside.
Now, Sophia, you ask.
What will you do? Will you get your clothes wet? No, I won't. I will not. Will you keep your clothes dry? Yes, I will. I will keep my clothes dry.
Thank you. Now, will you please read 7?
Yes.
Can I have Sophia read first?
I have 7 dolls. I count 7 blocks.
Thank you. Now, Nancy.
I count 7 puzzles, each in a square box.
Will you please sing together?
I count 7 balls and 7 more toys. I count 7 friends, some girls and some boys. The end.
What do you see, Nancy?
I see blocks.
How many blocks do you see?
I see 7 blocks.
Are they the same or different?
Different.
You say they are different.
They are different.
Thank you. Sophia, what do you see?
I see a puzzle.
Only one?
Oh,
How many puzzles? Count. 1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many puzzles do you see?
6, 7.
Yes. And where are they? Each in a...
square box.
Okay, how many boxes are there?
There are 7.
Boxes. Yes, there are 7 boxes. Thank you. Nancy, do you like birthday parties?
Yes.
Sophia, you too? And do you have cake on your birthday party?
Yes.
Sophia, what do you have on your birthday?
I like
What do you have?
and yo-yo.
Oh, nice. Nancy, what about you?
I have a puppet and a puzzle.
Mm-hmm. What do you want on your next birthday?
And dolls.
Thank you. How do you ask for the presents?
When I have
And
dolls.
thank you. Nancy, what do you want for your next birthday? How do you ask for the presents? Louder. A puzzle and a puppet. Thank you. Should you keep your body warm? Is it fun when you are sick? And does anyone like it when you cough or sneeze? Thank you. Will you please sing a last song to close the video? What is your favorite song? Okay, both of you. So please sing White. Thank you. Nancy, what white things do you have? Can you please speak louder?
I have a white t-shirt.
Thank you. Sophia, do you have anything white?
I have a white dress.
Thank you. Now please say goodbye.